Coming 1st of July, the Australian government has announced some sweeping changes to their immigration policy. Here, we have summarised 15 key points that will make a difference for students, employer sponsors and skilled workers alike. The most important one from students' point of view is that the work hour restrictions are being increased to 48 hours per fortnight. And watch till the end to find a fantastic initiative for Indian students. These changes are flashed on your screen. Let's take a more detailed look at them. 1. Temporary skilled migration income threshold will be increased. Temporary skilled migration income threshold (TSMIT) will increase from $53,900 to $70,000 from July 1, 2023. This means employers looking to sponsor overseas workers will need to offer an annual salary of at least $70,000 plus superannuation to prospective candidates. 2. Removal of labour market testing (LMT). Labour market testing or LMT is a process that requires employers to advertise a job locally, even where skills shortages obviously exist. Changes to LMT are currently being considered as part of the current review of Australia's immigration system and have not been finalised as yet. 3. Upgraded pathways to PR for TSS visa holders. The Australian government has also announced that by the end of 2023, all temporary skill shortage subclass 482 visa holders will have a pathway to permanent residency, providing employers and migrants with more certainty and helping increase the skill level in the permanent skilled migration program. 4. NZ citizens Australian citizenship eligibility changes. From the 1st of July 2023, New Zealand citizens who have been living in Australia for 4 years or more will be eligible to apply directly for Australian citizenship. They will no longer need to first apply for and be granted a permanent visa. 5. Reduction in the number of visa classes. The Australian government aims to streamline its visa system by reducing the number of visa classes. This plan involves consolidating various visa categories into fewer, more comprehensive visa types, simplifying the application process and improving efficiency in managing immigration matters. 6. SAF levy to be pro-rated. The Australian government plans to introduce a pro-rated SAF Skilling Australians Fund levy, which means that the levy amount will be calculated based on the duration of the visa granted to the employer's sponsored worker. This change aims to provide flexibility and fairness in the payment of the levy. 7. Australia and UK Free Trade Agreement. Australia and the UK have agreed to put in place new arrangements under the Working Holiday Maker (WHM) program and Youth Mobility Scheme. 8. Increase in visa application charges. From the 1st of July this year, the government will increase application charges between 6 and 40%. 9. Work restrictions for student visa holders. Starting from the 1st of July 2023, work restrictions will be reinstated for student visa holders in Australia. These restrictions were relaxed during the pandemic and completely removed in January 2022 to address workforce shortages. However, from the 1st of July 2023, all student visa holders will be limited to working 48 hours per fortnight. Exceptions are made for student visa holders already working in the aged care sector, who can continue to work unrestricted hours until the 31st of December 2023. 10 changes for working holiday makers (WHMs). From the 1st of July, the Australian government has provided a concession for WHMs to work for the same employer or organisation for a further 6 months without requesting permission. This means that any work carried out before the 1st of July will not be counted towards the 6-month limitation period. This means WHMs can work for any employer for an extra 6 months even if that work commenced before the 1st of July. 11. Australia has allocated nearly 70% of places to skilled migrants in the 2023-24 Permanent Migration Program to skilled migrants. 12. The Aussie government is offering extra 2 years of post-study work rights to temporary graduate visa holders with a few specially specific degrees, to improve the pipeline of skilled labour in key sectors. 13 Exempting international students working in the aged care sector from the capped fortnightly work hour cap until 31 December 2023. 14 additional training places for Pacific Australia Labour Mobility Scheme workers in important sectors for the Pacific and Timor-Leste and where there are job shortages in Australia. And for Indian students, this is a big change, under a new scheme based on India-Australia Agreement. From 1 July 2023, Indian graduates studying in Australian tertiary institutions on a student visa can apply to work in Australia without visa sponsorship for up to 8 years. There you are, 15 takeaways from the changes announced to Australian immigration laws effective 1 July 2023. If you have learnt something new, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and good luck. Until next time.